Hello students, my today's video is based on the topic how to analyze a short story. I shall tell you what are the basic components of a short story in this video. Before moving on the topic, let us know what is a short story. As a definition of the short story, we can say that a short story is a sort of structure in which there are characters and incidents. After the happenings among the characters with the fabrication of relationships, there is a conclusion in it. In this way, we can say that a story covers the following 5 stages. The number one is exposition. It means in this stage, the writer introduces the setting, the situation, and the main characters to the readers. In the second stage of a short story, the stage is of crisis. This stage is the decisive point for the protagonist, as at this point the protagonist prepares to make a commitment for action. The third stage of a story is the climax, which is the part of highest interest, as at this stage the conflict is at its height. It is a point where it is necessary to take some action. The fourth stage of a short story is the resolution of the crisis. At this point, the conflict is resolved or settled. The fifth and the last stage of the short story is the moral of the story. At this stage, the purpose of writing that story is conveyed to the readers by direct or indirect way. Now we come on the components of a short story that can be analyzed or discussed according to the different stories. At the first place comes plot, the plot of the story. In every story we find there is some plot. Without a plot there cannot be a story. The plot of the story forms the structure or the body of the story. The plot has a beginning, middle, and an end. The plot of the story may be imaginary or realistic one. Different stories have different plots, as Munshi Premchand's story The Child has the plot of widow marriage, while Mulk Raj Anand's story is based on the plot of caste discrimination. In the same way, Maxim Gorky's story The Mother of a Traitor is based on the theme or plot of mother's conflict between love for her son and love for her nation. In plot, there is a moment of story with the portrayal of characters and scenes. As we can notice, the movement of the story with the characters in K.A. Abbas's story, The Refugee, which depicts the poignant tale of Maji, the old Sardarni, who is uprooted from her ancestral house in Rawalpindi and is forced to move to Bombay due to violence caused by the partition of India and Pakistan in 1947. The past scenes have been described by the old memories of Maji. The past scenes have been described by the old memories of Maji. The plot of the story may be as story within a story. A situational story means the creation of a situation on which the story moves on, as in the case of K.A. Abbas's story The Refugee, where the situation is the partition time and its effects on common people. The story may be character oriented, as Mulk Raj Anand's story The Barbers' Trade Union, that is the character portrait of the character Chandu and his actions. The storyline or the plot may be based on autobiographical elements. So these are some of the aspects on which the plot of a story can be analyzed.